Hi, welcome to CNY Woman Knits and Crochets. I'm Mindy, your hostess, otherwise known as Knitter CNY. You can find me on Ravelry and Instagram as Knitter CNY. There is a Facebook group for the Knits Up podcast, which is the old name of the podcast. So all it does is reflect my Instagram posts, so you're better off going to Instagram. This week I'm going to show you one finished project, one project I'm working on, and a lot of yarn. It was a weird week. I finished one project. The yarn I used was Bernat Baby Blanket, and these are 220 yards, 10.5 ounces, and they're 100% polyester. This color is called Baby Blue Green, and this is what I finished, which is a corner to corner blanket. It looks more, it's green blue, and it's a corner to corner blanket. It's about 36 inches square. So I just started on it. I had 2 skeins and decided that was what I wanted to do, so that's what I did. And then the next thing that I am working on, and I used a size N crochet hook for that, a 10.0 millimeters. The next thing I'm working on is out of Premier Puzzle. This is 328 yards, 7 ounces, 100% acrylic, and what I'm making is, shocker, a corner to corner blanket. I have 3 skeins of this, so I can make a corner to corner blanket pretty easily. This color is called Checkers, and you can kind of see it's different colors of red. I'm about 75%, 85% through the first skein. So there's that. And I just started that yesterday, which was Saturday. Today's Sunday. And then there's a whole bunch of yarn. Let me say I got caught up in the Joann's has new yarn, I must have it too syndrome. What I got was 3 balls of Rave. This is Big Twist Rave in the colorway Light Bright. You can kind of see it's a roving style. It's 100% acrylic. It's Orthotex Standard 100. And it's 312 yards, 5.3 ounces. So you can kind of see what that looks like. It's very bright. Like I said, I got 3 of them. But I figured, why show you 3 skeins of the same yarn? It doesn't make any sense. The other yarn that's new at Joann's is called Big Twist Prism. This color is called Cotton Candy Quartz. I have a lot of natural light coming here, but I've also got the overhead light on. And you can see that is 273 yards, 7 ounces. And this is more, instead of a roving style, it's plied, and you can kind of see that plying comes through as different colors. It's barber pulled, as they say in spinning. The other yarn that I got from Mary Maxim, which was on sale, I think it was $6.74 or $6.47, I can't remember which. And I got a free shipping coupon because I found one on the internet. Is Premier Puzzle, and this color is called Hopscotch. Same stats as the previous puzzle, so I won't repeat that, but really pretty. I got 3 skeins of that with intentions of making a, quote, corner to corner blanket, end quote. Because I can make a corner to corner blanket with 3 skeins, and it comes out about 36 inches square, which is which is what my Project Linus chapter says is a good size for a baby blanket. So I donated 4 blankets yesterday to Project Linus that were all corner to corner blankets. 2 of them were out of puzzle, I think, and then 2 were out of worsted weight. 1 was out of that black carnation code that was the granny square yarn that I used about 2 and a partial of a 3rd skein on. And then the other one was baby cakes in that purple colorway. This is Premier Puzzle that I got from Walmart yesterday, and the color is called Hangman. You can kind of see the blues and purples in there, sort of dark blues, dark purples, and then there's like a teal in there too. So that's good. Walmart has their puzzle on sale around me right now for $5.48 a skein. So some of it had been $6.42, but they dropped it 50 cents to $5.48. I'm not really sure why. So take advantage if you are looking to get Premier Puzzle. It's probably the cheapest place that I found it. They do have limited colors, but obviously you can get them. The other place I got yarn from was Amazon. If you'll remember, I got that sheepy yarn in Juniper, and Amazon had 2 skeins. I think it was for like 15 bucks, and I got I think it's called Winter White or something like that, but it's a cream color. So I'm going to pair that with the Juniper and make a blanket. And then I was at Joann's yesterday dropping off the Project Linus blankets, because that's a pickup point locally for me. Your chapter will vary on where their pickup points are, so you can check with your local coordinator and they can tell you that. And I had a $5 coupon, so I got Karen Jumbo, and this color is called Blue Raspberry. They were on sale for $8.99, so with the $5 off coupon, I got it for $3.99, which is an extraordinary price. I can make a small lapghan with one of these, just in a granny square. And then this morning, I was at Walmart buying some nightgowns of all things, because I have surgery coming up sometime. I'm not really sure when. We don't have a date for it yet. I am getting a gastric bypass. I've been overweight all my life. My knees are getting bad. In order to get a knee replacement, I needed to lose at least 50 pounds. I decided that I couldn't do that on my own, so I have opted to get a gastric bypass. I've had people in my family that have had successful ones. And before everybody goes telling me their story of, I heard this person got a gastric bypass and they had a terrible result, I really don't need to hear it. I am making this decision for me. I'm making it for nobody else. Your decisions about your life are yours. You can do what you want in your own life. It took me a long time to come to this decision. I am 52. I'm going to be 53 at the end of the month. It took a long time to get here. I've lost 22 pounds already on a high protein diet that the dietitian at the doctor's office put me on. And I've been successful with that. I'll be changing my eating habits once I have the gastric bypass. Portion sizes are a lot smaller. Water is very important. All of that is very important. And I've worked with everybody from the team to get ready for this. And I am ready. We're just waiting for a date. I have one final meeting with the dietitian. And then they will schedule surgery. And I have support from friends and family on this. So wish me luck with it. But anyways, I needed some nightgowns for recovery. So that was what brought me to Walmart this morning. And I decided while I was there, I would look at the yarn section. And so I got some peaches and cream stripey. This color is Evening Sea. So it's got blues and a little bit of like cream teal kind of colors in it. It almost has a very light lavender in it too. And then the other one that I got to pair with it is the Lavender Meadow. It's almost the opposite. It's got teals and blues, kind of teal, a dark teal, a light teal, and then two colors of purple in that. And then kind of a cream color in there too. And then the other one that I have two of already and decided I needed a third is Mandala Ombre in Chi. So that is what I got at Walmart today. So that is all of the yarn that I bought. I'm going to be taking a hiatus on yarn. I may be taking a hiatus on the podcast after a couple of weeks too. Because once I have surgery, I'm not going to want to record. I'm going to be hanging out at the hospital for a couple of days, and then I've got about 2 weeks of recovery, in which I'm going to be drinking a lot of water and on a soft diet. You got to let everything heal. So that's what I'm doing, and I hope that you guys have a good week and that you knit or crochet something this week or craft something, because it is good for your mental health. Have a great week, guys.